Hi, my name is Ray Dison. This is my QMAP practical video. First, washes my hands. Demonstrate or verbalize when hands are washed. Check the medication 3 times during preparation. Correctly states how to identify the right client. Uses the 7 rights. Right resident or person. Right time or schedule. Right medication, right pill or med, right dose or right amount, right route, how you're giving the meds, documentation or point of care, right to refuse. Resident can say no to any meds. Documents regularly scheduled medication, point of care. Documents PRN, medication, point of care. Documents MRB field. Order all meds 7 days before they run out. Now I'm going to go over the different medication and how they are given. Pills oral, client position upright. Accuracy when one pill is the correct dose. Accuracy when calculation of other than one pills is correct dose. Liquid oral, pours amount accurately. Make sure shake bottle before pouring if it is a suspension. Label is toward palm surface when pouring. Bottle cap placed with open side upward. Sublingual. Correct placement of pill under the tongue. Instructs client not to chew the tab. Nitroglycerin can give up to 3 pills each 5 minutes apart. Ear drops, correct ear, position head correctly. Use of gloves, correct number of drops. Eye drops, retract lower lid to make pocket or holds open both upper and lower lids. Correct eye, placement of drops, correct number of drops, use of gloves. Eye ointment retracts lower lid to make pocket. Correct eye, placement of ribbon of medication. Use of gloves, provides tissue. Topical lotion and creams. Use of gloves, prepare area properly. Initial spray or drops, proper positioning. Give cues to client to breathe in with the spray. Correct number of drops or puffs of spray. Use of gloves, provides tissue. Inhaler, shake container before using. Indicates when test spray is needed. Correct placement. Give cues to client on breathing in and holding breath. Correct number of puffs. For the next one, make sure you are in a private setting. Transdermal patches. Privacy of client. Removal old patch. Appropriate location. Skin preparation. Correct application. Use of gloves. Document of patch. Fill a medication reminder box. Cross checks. MAR with doctor's order sheet and MRB label with MAR. Proceeds in organized manner. Uses tweezer gloves to handle medications. Correct ordered medication in each time slot. Correct number of medication for each administration time. Again, private setting. Rectal suppository. Supervision on the job for safe performance. Privacy of client. Placement of client on left side if possible. Use of lubricant. Insertion of suppository 2-3 inches. Use of gloves. Accused patient. Vaginal suppository. Supervision on the job for safe performance. Privacy of client. Placement of client on back with knees bent. Insertion of suppository 2 to 3 inches. Use of gloves. Accused patient. Heat given and sink after every med. Thank you.